Make sure to stick around for the whole video because I give you a code that you can use to get a free gift with your first clue. Hey everybody, it's Ian the Off Kilter Crafter. I hope you're having a great day today. It's that time again. It's time to sign up for the Spring 2022 Puzzle Mystery Quilt from Cotton Cuts, which is called So Sweet, S-E-W, So Sweet. Get it? I love a pun. It's always great. Anyways, this one's gonna be a lot of fun, and all the colorways this time are named after donuts. Sounds delicious to me. I love donuts, anything sweet. Anyways, lots of fun is going to be had, but if you've never done a Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt before, basically it's a block of the month club. The Puzzle Mystery Quilts are honestly one of my favorite projects to work on because Cotton Cuts does all the hard work for you. They choose great selections of fabrics to make each colorway. They go ahead and die cut all the fabric for you, so all you have to do is sew. You don't have to worry about pesky cutting up all that fabric and making sure that you have the right pieces in the right size. It's easy just to sit down at your sewing machine and get started. And usually it takes about an hour to 2 hours for each clue, so it's perfect if you don't have a lot of time and want to get a little piece of a project done each time you sit down at the sewing machine. Each month for 10 months, you'll receive a package from Cotton Cuts that includes your instructions and all the fabric that you'll need for that month's clue to put it together. The thing that really is a lot of fun for me about the Puzzle Mystery Quilt is I don't know what the quilt is going to look like, and we won't find out until month 10 when they send us the instructions for final assembly of our quilt top. That may seem a little scary, but honestly it's a lot of fun trying to figure out for 9 months what the quilt looks like and then getting those instructions and finally seeing it all come together. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the colorways for So Sweet. Bear Claw, Beignet, Puff Puff, Abelskiever, Churro, Powdered, Red Velvet, Glazed, Tiger Tail, Sprinkles, Blueberry Cake, Apple Cider, Boston Cream, Buttermilk. The other great thing about the Puzzle Mystery Quilt is it is very affordable. The small size project, which finishes at 48 inches by 60 inches, will cost $18.75 a month. The large size project will finish at 72 inches by 72 inches and cost $28.50 a month. Also, don't forget to use my code IANSEW, that's S-E-W, sweet. I've also put it here on the screen for you as well. Use that code when checking out to get a free gift with your first clue. Cotton Cuts has been kind enough to once again let me do the video tutorials for the small Puzzle Mystery Quilt. I'll be doing it in the colorway of Powdered, but don't worry, if you're not doing that colorway and instead another one, you can still watch my video tutorials and get all the information that you need. Trust me everyone, you do not want to miss this opportunity for another fun Puzzle Mystery Quilt from Cotton Cuts.